Alright guys, check this out. I just got my hands on this SAM 32GB DDR5 RAM kit, and I'm pretty stoked to see what it can do. Specifically, it's the SAM original 32GB, 2x16GB, DDR5 4800MHz kit, model number M425R2GA3BB0CQK. Now, if you're like me, you're always looking for ways to boost your laptop's performance, and RAM is a great place to start. This kit is a total of 32 gigs, made up of two 16GB sticks. That's a sweet spot for most people, giving you plenty of headroom for multitasking, gaming, and even demanding creative work. We're talking DDR5 here, which is the latest and greatest, meaning faster speeds and better efficiency compared to older DDR4 RAM. This particular kit runs at 4800 MHz, which is a solid speed for DDR5, and it uses the PC5-38400 standard. That translates to some serious bandwidth for your system. It's also low voltage at 1.1V, which is good news for battery life, especially in laptops. Another thing to note is that it's a 1RX8 configuration, which is pretty standard for laptop RAM. And of course, it's SODIMM form factor, so it'll fit right into your laptop's memory slots. The brand is Adamanta, which I've had good experiences with in the past. They're known for making reliable memory modules. Now, why should you care about any of this? Well, if your laptop is feeling sluggish, especially when you have a lot of programs open or you're working on big files, upgrading your RAM can make a huge difference. Think of it like giving your laptop a bigger workspace. With more RAM, it can handle more tasks simultaneously without slowing down. This kit, in particular, should give a noticeable boost to your system's responsiveness. You'll see faster loading times, smoother multitasking, and improved performance in demanding applications. If you're a gamer, this RAM upgrade can also help improve your frame rates and reduce stuttering, especially in newer titles that are hungry for resources. And if you're a content creator working with video editing software or other demanding programs, this extra RAM will definitely be a welcome addition. It'll allow you to work with larger files and more complex projects without your system bogging down. So who is this RAM for? It's for anyone who wants to give their laptop a performance boost. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or just someone who wants a more responsive system, this 32GB DDR5 kit is a great option. Just make sure your laptop is compatible with DDR5 RAM before you buy it. You can usually find this information in your laptop specifications or on the manufacturer's website. Overall, I'm impressed with this SAM 32GB DDR5 RAM kit. It's a solid upgrade that offers a good balance of speed, capacity, and efficiency. If you're looking to breathe new life into your laptop, definitely check this one out. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.